Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy bonds using Etrade. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the process to make your investment easy and straightforward. To get started, you will need an Etrade account. If you do not have one, visit their website and complete the account registration. Once you are logged into your Etrade account, navigate to the Markets tab and select Fixed Income. Here, you will find options for different types of bonds, including corporate, municipal, and treasury bonds. Take your time to research the various bonds available. Pay attention to the ratings, interest rates, and maturity dates to choose the one that fits your investment strategy. After you have identified a bond you want to purchase, click on it for more details. You will see the current price and other relevant information. If you are ready to buy, click the Buy button. Enter the quantity you wish to purchase and review your order carefully. Once everything looks good, confirm your purchase to complete the transaction. Finally, after buying your bonds, you can track their performance in your portfolio. Keep an eye on interest payments and market conditions since these can affect your investment. If you have any further questions about buying bonds on Etrade, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy investing.